In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the PS5 quick menu or the control center. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first press the PS button, then here go down. Now press this options button. Now you will see a screen like this. Now from here, let's say you want to move this music icon. So go on to that music icon, press X on your controller. Now the music icon is selected. Now you can move it wherever you want, or if you want you can also move it down here and you will not see that music icon on your control center or the quick menu. So you can do this for any one that you want. So for example, you can also move this, and also you can put this on here on the control center, the hidden icons, and then after that to save it just go back, or if you want to reset all of it to default, you can just reset here, go here and press X and reset it to default. So now to save just go back and these settings are saved. So this is how you can customize the quick menu or the PS5 control center. Thanks for watching.